So that last execution game was actually pretty fun. We managed to come back from like 2-5 or 2-6 and tie up the game. So that was pretty fun. Even though the team, at first I thought the team wasn't very good, and then once we started playing a little bit together, like actually like a team, we managed to pull through. So props to that team for changing my opinion on them. They didn't suck. We just need to work together as a team a little bit to make some magic happen. Whereas in this game, it looks like we're absolutely crushing the other team. So it's
Down some players.
yeah, 1v3. This guy's probably gonna lose. Ouch! That fucking got sniped. Sparks with the awkward Russian comments. Blowing some dust off my headset thingy. What was that guy's name that just left? I don't want any damn veg. What's veg? Vegetables? I mean, it'd be weird if, hold on. Let's go Phoenix. Almost didn't pay attention. Because, I mean, it would have been kind of weird if that guy's name was I don't want any vag. Because why wouldn't you want any vag if you were a guy? You know? Fuck around the pussy? Never heard of that. I'm gonna try pushing this guy. He's gonna... Damn it. Oh god, they're all over there. Wow, they actually planted during all that? Ugh, that was close. Just be careful not to stand in that. I don't actually have a lot of ammo, which is bad.
Good job, guys.
So many medics! Oh yes. The medic train never stops. All aboard the medic train. Heals, heals, heals. One day I would like to play an execution game where everybody is a phoenix and we have one ammo guy and one objective. 6 or 5 medics or 5 phoenixes. Oh god. And of course. But yeah, I would want to play a game one day where it's 5 phoenixes, one ammo guy, preferably one that throws packs like what was it, RD or Skyhammer, and one OBJ like Fletcher's Proxy, whatever. That would be a hilarious game.
Only one team member left.
Just constant heals all day, every day, because everybody can heal each other and get themselves up if no one kills them off when they're down. That would be so funny. At least to me, because I've got a twisted sense of humor. Though that Rhino guy is pretty good at what he does, so if we run into him, that means that's probably going to mean bad news for us. So let's try not to run into him. We already have 3 medics, so I feel like I feel tempted to go. Actually, I'll switch to because that our Sawbones just switched to Fletcher, so that means I'm gonna have to save Phoenix again. Our bomb guy is going over to B again, so let's just stay out here. This time, I don't think their little gambit's gonna work anymore. Right, cool. That worked out a lot better for us this time. I got the Phoenix instead of the Nader. What? How?
Thank you.
Oh god, please no. And of course, instant I push through smoke, just instantly dead. It's like, okay, thanks, game.
I'm in C4.
C4 planted at site B. Defend it. Only
She's
one
a
enemy
proxy. You're a
remaining.
proxy. Put down a proxy mine at
60
least,
seconds
so you know if
remaining.
someone's trying to defuse it. What the hell is this guy doing? Whatever. I should backseat game. This guy can do what he wants. If you lose as a result of it, oh well. What the fuck ever. He knows what he did. Maybe, maybe not. Hey, you still won.
Cut it close, but good work.
Damn right this team cut it close.